It is generally agreed that farming of some sort had been invented in multiple different locations across the world, who did so independently of each other. Perhaps the earliest sign of human agriculture that we've ever managed to find dates back to 23,000 years ago. In Oalo II, a camp of hunter-gatherers and fishers located at the shore of the Sea of Galilee, researchers found that the residents of the camp had collected a large number of different plant species. Among those plant species were included a number of wild cereals such as emmer, barley and oats. In the camp a grinding slab had also been found, around which there were a number of seeds, proving that cereal grains had been processed for consumption in Oalo II. The scars on the many cereal seeds found in Oalo II and the sickle blades found there suggest that these cereals had been grown in fields for the purpose of a planned harvest. Findings such as these make it impractical to point to one specific event as the definitive first example of agriculture performed by humans. Nevertheless, some of the earliest examples of human agriculture known to us today include the cultivation of squash in Oaxaca, Mexico, where American archaeologist Bruce T. Smith discovered domesticated plant species dating back to roughly 10,000 years ago. The cultivation of peanuts in northern Peru discovered by Dr. Tom D. Dill to have origins in Andes dating back to roughly 8,500 years ago. The cultivation of wheat in southeastern Turkey, dating back to 10,000 years ago. The cultivation of cotton dating back 7,000 years ago at Meghach, Pakistan. The cultivation of rice dating back to 7,700 years ago at Huqiao, China. The development of agriculture would proceed to have nothing short of world-changing implications. In most of the world, farming would come to replace foraging as the dominant method for human communities to sustain themselves. In turn, this would lead to the gradual replacement of the previously dominant nomadic way of life as hunters and gatherers to one of sedentary societies, eventually leading to the founding of the first villages and population sizes of previously unheard of proportions due to increased productivity. The seeds of modern-day civilization had been sown.